Hi beauties, how do you style your hair? I have this hair today and I have a dinner in the evening. I'm just kind of wondering what to do with it. I've explored all the other hairstyles. I'll just try to put pictures so that you can see the styles I've had. And I really want something outstanding because I'll be having dinner with my friends and I'm just wondering what I can do that will make my hair stand out. So I don't want to do anything I've seen online. I just want to create a style. It might be similar to another style I might have done, but we'll see how it goes. Go nowhere. Grab yourself some coffee and stay and have fun with me. While I'm doing the style, I will just be gisting with you on things that have been happening to me, updates about my life. Probably I never talk about my life, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So this hairstyle, right? I did it not myself, but like I kind of came up with this style. It's a crochet that I kind of made it into something else. So I decided to make it a bit fast so that the video shouldn't be that long. So here am I undoing the style I think I had this style for about 2 weeks, and then just changing the style gives it a different feel, a different illusion. So usually I come up with these styles and you need to know what works for you. You need to know the styles that kind of suit your face. So this might look good on me, but it wouldn't look good on you. And this goes by knowing your face structure. As for me, I have a round face and a little bit chubby face. So I kind of like styles that come to my face, especially because I'm suffering from alopecia. Like I don't have edges, so I always try for styles that will mask that illusion of me not having edges. And I found that if you know the musician Yemi Alade, you will know that she likes this kind of styles as well, and I really like it. Some of the items to use when doing this style: you need hair bubbles, you need hair pins. Depending on how intense you want the style to be, you might need more than two hair bubbles. Now this is me just trying different styles to see what will actually work, because I didn't want any of the same style I had done before. So I was just trying different styles to see what would absolutely work. And it took me some time to come up with the final look, which you're going to be seeing by the end of the video, so go nowhere. But I'm glad I did. So while I'm struggling to come up with the style of this hair, I want us to talk about something. So what motivated me to get into business, like to have a shop of my own and run a shop of my own, despite the economy and everything that's happening in the economy. As a child, I've always been interested in music. Music. But at this point, I want to talk about business. I've always so for many people who know me from back in the years, I've always been business oriented, and especially when it comes to beauty, I have a strong passion for beauty. So I've always dreamed of having my own shop and doing a lot for women especially. And it wasn't easy. It's not easy as well. It's so difficult where I am. It's difficult dealing with the African community because where I am, like Tralee, I'm in Tralee, and it's like majority of the people there, they have a different mindset when it comes to running African businesses or like an African salon. So it's a constant struggle, but we keep pushing. Out of the many things I can do, I really only feel fulfilled when I'm doing beauty stuff for people, which is why no matter what is happening, I'm still there because I find that fulfillment. Sometimes they say money is not everything, and I can strongly tell you that that is true because I left a high ending paying job to come and start a shop with all the uncertainty. If you like the way this video is turning, you will give it a thumbs up, and if you've not clicked on the plus sign, you're going to click on the plus sign and follow this page. And I just want to take the opportunity to thank all those who have been supporting me all this while. If you didn't know, yeah, the size of my head is shaved like that. You can see that. Yep. Just add some water, some mousse onto the curls of that. It will reactivate the curls and it will take away all the tangles, and it will just make it look new again. Very simple, very demure, very classy hairstyle. And all I need now is just to do my makeup and dress up, which you're going to be seeing in a minute. So yeah, I love how voluminous this hair was. This hair lasted me for about 6 weeks. And that is because I get bored of hair so easily. If not, I should have had more time with this hair. But yeah, securing that and just making some curls to come further to my face. And yep. Now, look at that. Look at that. My dress was a bit revealing at the front, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm doing this voice and I'm so sleepy. So we're about to go out now. I'll catch you in my next video. Please do out to follow and like the page if you're not yet following, and like liking the page. That's it.